Yep. That came from my new project. Right here, this is my new project. 1955 Ford hardtop two-door Fairlane. It's got no interior, steering box is shot. Good floor pan though. Motor is a small block V8. I think it's 285. Y'all gotta tell me this, but anyway, it's locked. And I've taken this valve cover off and this valve cover. And I'm working on the carburetor. I'm just starting to, all the push rods are in good shape. All the rocker arms are good. I'm just starting the process. We're gonna probably have her rebuilt by about January 1st of the year. Single pumper, manual brakes. It's all complete, all here. But it is gonna be a long time before there's another video on this baby girl, but I just wanted to get y'all in on it and show y'all the new project. All right, if you have any advice on this one, or if you could tell me what motor it is, the firing order is 15486372. If you can tell me anything about that, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching.